We know how to get people to work together, but how would you get a fleet of autonomous drones to help search and rescue teams find people who have gotten lost hiking? Turns out the same way you automate a factory. You deploy smart software that coordinates intelligent hardware, and this enables smart systems and multiple robots to work together. This is what Unmanned Life is working on. They are an autonomy-as-a-service orchestration platform that specializes in getting all kinds of machines to work together. Nicholas, how does Unmanned Life take these drones and robots that are all operating with separate systems and enable them to work together constructively?
We are the intelligent brain for autonomous robotics. So our system is sending 2 drones to scan the area to search for a person that is droning. Yeah? So the brain is controlling the system, and at the moment where it detects a victim that is droning, it will send us 3rd drone that will bring a life jacket, and at that moment, drop a life jacket. Imagine a brain that is controlling all these systems at the same time, and all that in seconds. That is Unmanned Life. That is the intelligent brain for autonomous robotics.
So in that example, there are 3 drones doing different functions, and the single AI is controlling all of them. And is there any human element in that workflow to save that human life?
No. And this is precisely what we do. We take the human out of the loop, so the human is in a central command and control center, observing all this. And so the human is doing what it does best, to analyze the situation. Imagine you have hundreds or thousands of calls that cannot be answered every year because you don't have resources. First responders, they don't have the money to buy helicopters. And with this type of technologies, now you can buy drones. So now this is a game changer because you can suddenly have access to technology where you can intervene in minutes.
When you think about examples and human safety in other industries, are there other use cases that have been effective so far?
Think about smart factories or smart manufacturing. So we are working now in the automobile industry. We are combining drones and autonomous mobile robots to bring from the supplier to the assembly line 5 times faster. With our intelligent brain, they can combine different types of robotic systems that before could not talk to each other. And now, with this new type of software, they can combine them and into a new process.
So beyond those use cases of human rescue, first responders, manufacturing, what other industries and use cases are you tackling?
Surveillance security. So we launch with Telefónica, the Spanish multinational in the telecommunications. Today they are using our systems and our technology to do the surveillance of their headquarters in Madrid with autonomous drones. So autonomous drones are today doing surveillance rounds of their headquarters. We see also oil and gas, renewables, utilities as an important sector.
Some people might say that having a single AI controlling different robotics and drone systems can lead to a single point of failure, and that's introducing a new set of risks. How do you overcome those concerns?
What we have in our software, we have different safety mechanisms, both in the robot and in the software itself. No, we have thought about
Each individual drone or robot has its own safety protocols that are still in effect.
Exactly.
And it's able to make its own decisions if it needed to.
Exactly. There is a safety mechanisms that we are thinking about it.
What is the capital cost and training requirements to get a manufacturer using your system?
We are forcing the hardware manufacturers to integrate to our system through the end user, because we are seeing a shift in the market. Hardware manufacturers, they didn't want to open up their systems. They wanted to sell hardware plus software. But what we are seeing in the market, we are seeing that the end user, they don't want to have to be locked into a hardware plus software. And this is where we will see that there is a market for Unmanned Life, because interoperability is our motto. Yeah? We are the intelligent brain that is bringing all this together.